Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello everyone. So on this video, we want to discuss about the important things, English skills for now and the future. But before that, I'd like to introduce my group. At first, my name is Adi Satria Mukti with my NPM 214010185. Next to Rian.
My name is Rian Satria Darmawan with my NPM 214010196. Next to Alif.
Okay, my name is Alif Ahmadian and NPM number 214010203. Okay, next Nadia.
Okay, my name is Nadia Tasya, NPM 2140210.
Hello everyone, my name is Mita. My NPM number is 214010213.
Okay, at first, for me, why English skill is very important for now and the future. About that, I have two opinion for answer this. My first opinion is one opportunity to get a job. Yes, of course, one the most important reasons for learning English. One of which is the opportunity to get a more decent job. By having the ability to speak to language, of course, it will be an add to value to us. In addition, we will also be able to get a career at the international level if our English language skills are very good. That's why learning English today seems so difficult. Yes, because of that, English has a very high value in the eyes of the world. If we master English, it means that we have a great opportunity to get a job in every country on this earth. My second opinion is about a globalized language. The reason why learning English is so important is because English is a global language. As we all know, English is an international language that must be used by all people in the world. So when we master English, of course, we will be able to adapt and converse with anyone easily when we move from one country to another. By mastering a language which in fact is the most common language in the world. It is, of course, our main capital to expand our association to all corners of the world. Okay, maybe that's my opinion. Next, how your opinion, Rian?
In my opinion, the first, English as economic language. Currently, we know that the leaders in development of technological innovation and also the development of the world economy are currently held by two countries, namely China and America. These two countries are, of course, the main element of world life. So this is the reason why it is important to study English. By learning English, of course, we can follow and understand the economic and development of technical innovation in these two countries. The reason is these two countries do use English in their respective field, which are indeed full holders in world development. Two, English can follow time. Now time are advancing. Therefore, this fact seems to force us together to follow the flow of progress as best we can, so that we are not considered old-fashioned by others. Well, this is one of the reasons it is important to learn English from an early age. What about your opinion, Alif?
Here I will give some opinion about the benefit of learning English. Let's just start. The first is knowledge. In an era that it's starting to advance like today, we can learn something very easily from anywhere, can be from the media of book of the internet. We can more easily learn it well. However, if you ever read about book whose content are very good but use English, Have you ever found a science on the internet that is very useful but it uses English? If so, that reasonable, yes, we therefore increasing to knowledge is one of the important reasons for learning English. Therefore, by understanding English, we can earn a lot of knowledge without having to think twice about search from book or the internet, which in fact use English. The reason is knowing English is a global language and will always be used. Okay, next Nadia.
Okay, I have in my opinion carry advancements. Knowledge in English is one of the greatest assets in the world at the professional level in becoming or career. That is one of the important reasons why you should learn English. The reason is the progress of the world economy, which is getting more and more globalized, and interaction with people from various corners of the world are one of the important things that are very valuable to be able to do. To improve our careers, of course, we must be able to establish relationship with other companies. Whether it is a career in any field, the use of foreign language so as the part of government, traveling, education, communication, law, and everything or economy. Our ability to master English will certainly lead to use to community and stable relationship with company from these various fields. There is nothing wrong with which career field you will choose. It doesn't matter else which country we will cause a job in origin. We can know English and show the advantages we have. So next, Nita.
For this, I have three opinions. First, easy to accept in the eyes of the world. We often see that there are many people who, when they have to get along with others, they sometimes have to look at how ethnic, color, background of the person they are getting along with. However, this is an important reason for learning English. If we master English, when we visit big countries such as America or England and communicate directly using English, then the people there will be happy to respond us to us regardless of how ethnic, color, and background we are. As if the English we use unites humanity in this part of the world to get along with each other. Don't want to be able to get along with anyone in this world. Second, the language that has always existed in internationally circulate films. In this world, we know a wide variety of films. Sometimes we have to watch the films using subtitles because in reality, a quality in an internationally circulate film is an English language film, although there are Japanese films that are of high quality and circulating internationally. It must be English that is the main subtitle in the film. So the reason for the importance of learning English next is that it can help us in enjoying the film that have been circulating. The more proficient we are in English, the more we understand what message is contained in a film that we watch because we really focus on the film without going back and forth confused and thinking what the film means. Third, teach savvy. We all know almost all technological tools, leads gadgets, always use English in their use. Tutorial books, which in fact are instruction for the use of these technological tools, often also always use English. Therefore, this is the reason for the importance of English. Learning English of course it will greatly help us in understanding technology properly and correctly. Our view of increasingly advanced technologies will be wide open. Tech savvy is very important in this era of globalization. So still thinking about the important reason for learning English.
Okay, maybe that's all about our discussion. Thank you for your attention. I hope you like it. See you on the next video. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.